Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are aboard the 32-meter L Ocean Alexander. My name is Scott Roberton, and I'm going to take you through the latest features that we put on this hull number 9. The aft deck seating on the 32L is quite enormous. It's pushed back quite far, but it also is a C-shaped type seating, but we've split the tables here, so you could move in and out between the seating quite easily. So the salon of the 32L, these windows are from ceiling to floor, so you're going to have a lot of natural light that comes in. But we did this layout a little bit different, where we did a large L-shaped couch here on the port side, and then across on your starboard side you have a 55-inch TV. This way everyone that's in this area can enjoy viewing that direction. The 32L offers a very large dining area. We built an oversized table for this room with 10 chairs because we have 5 staterooms in this boat, so this will take care of 10 people having dinner, lunch, or foresee it. Forward of here, going back, you're going to see that we have all the silverware in this buffet, as well as an easy access to your wine glasses. And this over here is storage, and then you've got another buffet with storage as well. One of the really nice features that this area offers is cross ventilation between these large sliding doors. You can see how big they are. Over on this side, I'm going to go ahead and open this one so you can see how much volume this door offers. Full stainless door. What's another nice feature is you can lock that door instead of having to go hit a breaker, and it keeps that door open. They keep on a nice day or cross ventilation. As we move forward on the 32L of the dining room, we come across the galley. The galley is typically a fully enclosed galley, but this one's built a little bit different and designed. I'll show you. In this bulkhead wall, they have added these 2 sliding doors. Couple reasons: serving food through here. One is making this more of an invitation for your guests or friends that are out there to enjoy the galley over being inside of an enclosed type galley. This 32L is equipped with some of the highest grade appliances you can buy out there. To start with is your Wolf oven. And then you've got your Viking convection microwave. And then over in this side, you're going to have a Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer. This is one of the nice features on the boat, where this door allows you to access the side decks so the crew can actually bring all the provisions in for the chef. So additionally, you're going to have a Sub-Zero wine cooler, which is really nice and handy for this area. Good for the chef to be able to get to, and the crew as much as the owner. And then below that we have additional appliances here, refrigeration and freezers. Right across from that is a Scotsman ice maker. And then as you look through this backside of the galley here, you're going to notice that there's a ton of counter space, but a tremendous amount of storage as well. So as we move forward in the 32L, we're going to come to the on-deck master. As we enter in here, you're going to notice the detail that Ocean Alexander and the fit and finish that they actually pay attention to. You got stainless, and then you got leather-wrapped handrails that are taking you into the master as well as down to the other 4 staterooms. As you make your way into the master, you're going to notice that we have a matte finish Nova Mist wood for all the walls. And then your nightstands are in the same Novus Mist, but in a high gloss to give a variation throughout the stateroom. So the 32-meter L series has a master that's on deck. This master has windows that pan all the way around. In the newer models of this L series, we have rounded these, which is really nice as an exterior profile. But in here, just a tremendous amount of light that comes in. What we've done different on this is we've actually put the shower and the main head for this boat down some stairs. but in case you want to use the restroom in the middle of the night, or you are more comfortable using it upstairs, you have one on the main floor of the master. One of the nice things you're going to see in the detail of the lamps, something most people, it's kind of simple, but the detail is all leather weaving. You can see they put some extra special attention just to making this a nice touch in this room. You have storage all the way around the bed, and then a wonderful vanity over here as well. You got drawers, you got cabinetry. This 50-inch TV also folds up into the ceiling. So nice and easy to come down, and it's not something that's sitting out all the time. As we make our way down to the master head, again, you're going to notice the stainless railings and the attention to the leather wrapping around the handrails. Nice gradual steps coming down, nice and easy. Handrails, easy to hold on to. The floors in the master, inside this master head, are all heated. So you get out of a shower, instead of stepping on cold floors, these floors can all be heated. The master shower, very large, walk-in, rain shower technology. Frosted glass, which is nice, and then of course same over here when it comes to the head. So dual sinks in the master head, as well as great deep storage. And then we have one more storage over here as well. Storage in the sides. And then for additional privacy, this is nice, a pocket door that closes off the master as well. As you move forward to your master head closet, you have hanging on both sides, but here's a really nice jewelry area they put in here. So as you open these drawers, you have places for rings and watches and anything else that you want to put in here. And then when you're done, that drawer just kind of self-closes, but on top here you have all glass with all backlighting. It's really pretty. As you make your way down to the lower 4 staterooms on the 32L, and the foyer, one of the nice features you see down here are full-size washer and dryers. These are nice. Those are big. And then we also have a refrigerator down here for the guests, and then we'll show you in a little bit, there's an additional refrigerator forward. But as you come into one of the 2 main VIP staterooms here, you're going to have full walk-around queen beds, large windows for natural lighting. You'll have a closet here, as well as a walk-in closet. And as you walk in, you'll see you've got, again, to the attention of the drawer, the leather on the outside with all the stitching. Instead of it just being a Nova Smith grain wood door on the outside, they've actually taken the time to put leather on here and then have stitching. You have drawers all the way around the bed, and then as you make your way into this VIP head bathroom, you've got a really nice walk-in shower. You can see as you walk in, you got a nice lip that drops down to keep any water in here so it doesn't go in outside where you're going to be when you're finished. And then nice headroom. Drawer storage. All drawer storage inside here, and then all the way around the bed. These are all your Ocean Alexander towels that come with the boat, and robes for each stateroom. As we move forward now to the other 2 VIP staterooms, one of them is set up with single beds. And what's a neat feature that Ocean Alexander has done for years is they've given you the ability to take these single beds here move them across, a new nightstand appears here. Your other one's there now underneath the bed now, and now you've got yourself a large bed for a couple. This room offers the natural lighting as well. You have two drawers here. You have drawers on the ends here as well for the for your clothes, and then of course their private in-suite head. So across the hall, we typically duplicate this room as the one I just showed you, but we've done something a little bit different. One is, if you were grandparents or new parents and had a crib for a young baby, this would be a great place for that. If you had older kids and you wanted them to have bunk beds, you have the ability here to have bunk beds. And if there's only one using it, you've got a lower bunk you can use there. But this stateroom also has its own closet, and then also has its own in-suite head. So as you come in, you'll notice full walk-in shower, in-suite head. Very nice. On Ocean Alexander's 32L, as we make our way from the salon dining room up to the sky lounge, these are the staircase inside the boat that you would use. Very comfortable, very easy to use, great handrails. One of the things you're going to notice as you look at the helm of the 32L is these two helm chairs, the stitching to the leather, to having control of the Garmin screens. They go up and down, they go back and forth, extremely comfortable for the captain, and a lot of times the owner will sit right next to him. As far as your helm goes, you have three 32-inch Garmin screens up here. These screens as well will have your Octoplex on it, but you can move different things back and forth. You've got your man engine displays. You've got your bow thruster and your stern thruster, which are both hydraulic. These are your switches for that. These are your chain counters for your windlass. So you've got two anchors on this boat. You got one on each side there. So as you're standing at the helm looking aft, the enclosed sky lounge here offers quite a bit with the big windows, but here's a nice bar area that they have as well. With a refrigerator, you've got an ice maker, you got yourself a full sink here, but a really nice large top cabinet here for food and serving and that kind of stuff. You're just going to notice the natural light as you walk through here. The windows are just massive. So over on your port side, we did an L-shaped seating with a large coffee table here. And then on your starboard side, you've got your 50-inch TV that actually drops from the ceiling. So when you're not using that, it's concealed inside the ceiling, which is really a nice feature. When this thing's up and away, you can see this chair in its comfort, but also the detail of the wood grain that they've done underneath it. So the furniture throughout this boat, they've really spent a lot of detail and time picking it out. This is one of the nicer features up on the Flybridge. So we have a day head down below, but we also have a day head up top. This is nice for when guests are up top, or if you're even out back enjoying the hot tub. It's easy access from the hot tub in to use the restroom. Welcome to the 32L Flybridge aft area. This, first of all, has a tremendous bar, which is up here with 3 bar stools, dual refrigeration, and great storage. Just behind that is your grill. Got great storage underneath here as well. Great area for plating the food. This way, this all kind of works very well together. We've also moved the hot tub in this boat a little bit more forward instead of putting it aft, and this gave us the ability to, one, be able to have a tender up here or 2 jet skis while we still can carry something on our hydraulic swim platform down below. This area is also equipped with a complete shade. So we have stainless poles that go in the corners here, and then they attach, a shade will attach to the back of that hardtop there, and then to the top of the poles. So this can be a completely shaded area. As you move your way back forward a little bit, you're going to notice the table that we've set here, and then you would put chairs on the ends and around this side here so you can seat 6 to 8 people comfortably. The swim platform area that we're standing on the 32L right now, typically where my foot here is about as large as this area ever gets. One of the things Ocean Alexander has incorporated into their 32L is adding a hydraulic swim platform onto the back. By just a push of a button here from the remote, you can take this platform and lower it down. You're going to notice all the way over on the port side, there's a set of stairs that will gradually open up the lower the platform goes down. This platform can be used as a beach as you lower it down the water a little bit. Can also be used to put a tender on the back here if we add chocks to it. We're on the port side here, and what we're going to do is check out the engine room. Come join me. So we're in the 32L cruise quarters. First thing you're going to notice as you're coming down the stairs here is 2 commercial washer and dryers that are here, as well as one down below in the companionway. So that makes 2 sets on this boat. The 32L cruise quarters has 3 staterooms and 2 heads. These 2 staterooms here are bunk rooms, as you can tell. And we have one across, identical. So that's 4 crew members you can have on the boat already. And then just forward of that, you're going to have the captain's quarters, which he will have his own head and shower in here for himself. As you make your way forward into the cruise quarters, you're going to have another head here as well as a workshop. In the cruise quarters of the 32L, this is a TV for the crew, but this is also, we've integrated in the Octoplex system into this TV screen. So as you go through certain sections, the captain, the crew can actually look at the air conditioners, for example, what chillers are on, what units are on. They can go through the lighting of the boat, and you can pick different areas that you want to turn on or turn off. This has really been able to give them engine. They can see the port engine, they can see the starboard engine, you can switch between them. But you have everything you have at the helm right here as well. So we're going to enter the 32L engine room, but before we go in, you got to first notice the detail of the stainless work in the ship door into this engine room. They got an actual window here also, so if you were on the outside, you could see what was going on inside as well. But let's go ahead and open the door. As you enter into the engine room of the 32L, you're going to notice we've got twin 1900 man engines. We've got twin 40 kW generators, Kohler. We also equipped the boat with dual water makers. This is a air-conditioned engine room. But one of the really nice features that they've done, and Ocean Alexander has worked hard at doing this, is giving the captain, the crew, access around the motors. So as you can see, if things are easy to get to, they're going to get maintained. So we've really tried to give the crew and the captain the ability to maintain the important items. Another really awesome feature on the 32L is the bow. You have sun pad seating up here. You can adjust your backrest to wherever you want it. You've got the ability to put up stainless poles and have a shade above you. And at night, you can have indirect lighting. Overall, when you are running, the wind's in your face here. It can't be any more of an awesome spot to be hanging out. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking the time today to walk through the 32L Ocean Alexander with me. We had an opportunity to see some of the highlights of the boat, but there's many more to come see. Again, my name is Scott Roberton with MarineMax Yachts. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.